In various sectors, there has been a notable rise in the need for technology in project management. Here are some prime examples. In recent years, the construction sector has embraced digital solutions such as Building Information Modeling, or BIM. This technology enables the development of models showcasing both the physical and functional aspects of buildings in a collaborative manner to enhance accuracy and efficiency in project execution. Using drones for site inspections has become increasingly common these days, as they offer real-time data and images to assist project managers in tracking progress and evaluating risks while maintaining safety standards. Healthcare is an aspect that impacts individuals' well-being and quality of life significantly. The emergence of telemedicine has led healthcare project managers to incorporate communication technologies and data management systems while implementing security measures to safeguard patient privacy and ensure dependable service delivery. AI technology plays a role in drug development nowadays by aiding in forecasting trial results and optimizing research workflows, along with enhancing the management of extensive data sets to speed up the introduction of new medications to the market. The evolution towards Industry 4 has led manufacturing endeavors to incorporate Internet of Things, or IoT gadgets, automation and analytics powered by artificial intelligence. Now project leaders are tasked with overseeing the incorporation of systems capable of monitoring, regulating and enhancing manufacturing operations instantly. In manufacturing endeavors, four-dimensional printing is being incorporated, which facilitates the quick creation of prototypes and customized production items. This calls for project managers to grasp and oversee novel digital processes efficiently. The growth of online shopping and omni-channel retailing has sparked a demand for technology-centric project management approaches. These approaches center on merging digital and physical retail avenues while creating sophisticated stock control systems and improving customer satisfaction via AI-powered personalization techniques. Retailers are dedicating resources to leveraging AI and machine learning for enhancing supply chain efficiency, cutting costs and guaranteeing product delivery. Prioritizing the deployment and supervision of technologies is crucial for project managers to maintain a competitive edge in the market. Transition to grids involves energy industry project managers supervising the incorporation of digital technology into conventional grid systems by overseeing the implementation of IoT devices and utilizing real-time data analytics and AI to enhance energy distribution efficiency. Renewable energy initiatives are on the rise as the need for energy sources increases. Projects focusing on solar power generation systems and wind turbines rely on sophisticated simulation tools and artificial intelligence for predictive maintenance and real-time monitoring to optimize performance and reduce operational disruptions. In the automobile industry, autonomous cars are a real thing these days. Creating them involves some tech skills like AI and machine learning, along with sensors and other various hardware devices to work in sync with each other across the vehicle. Those in charge of automobile projects have their hands full integrating all these technologies while making sure everything is safe and legal for consumers to use. The advancement of vehicles has led to an increased emphasis in developing infrastructure to support them efficiently. Such projects now involve incorporating grid technology and utilizing real-time data analysis along with artificial intelligence for effective energy control. Unmanned aerial systems, or UAS, utilizing drones and other unmanned technology in defense initiatives necessitates cutting-edge control systems, artificial intelligence for functioning, and advanced data analysis tools. Oversight managers must guarantee the merging of these technologies while following strict safety and regulatory guidelines. Defense projects have been placing an emphasis on cybersecurity due to the rising concern of cyber warfare threats by incorporating modern encryption methods and advanced technologies for threat detection powered by AI as well as secure communication systems. These instances showcase the growing importance of technology in project management across these sectors, highlighting the need for project managers to constantly enhance their expertise and adapt to the challenges presented by these innovative technologies.